Alrighty, let's have a quick look, guys, at silver and gold. Guys, do not place a trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky, can cause substantial financial loss. I have no idea what's going to happen tomorrow, but I'm going to share with you what I see happening in the market right now. Alright, fantastic. So, I did a video a few days ago with silver and gold, and I talked about how right now with silver, on the daily chart, what's happening right now? Not much going on, bit of a sideways action, nothing really too clear, right? Same for the gold market as well too. But if we go have a look at this weekly chart, this is the weekly chart here. What do we see? Well, we clearly see what? We clearly see that we had this big, strong selling leg and now got all this weak buying movement, right? We're not getting big, strong buys out of here, are we? We're just very, very weak buying movement. So right now, this actually has a very high probability of rolling over here soon and coming down. Now, remember, this is a weekly chart, guys, so it may take another few weeks for this thing to start to roll over. It's not going to happen tomorrow. And again, if you think that people know exactly what's going to happen from day to day to day to day, that's not really how trading works, right? You just you follow what the market's telling you. Now, that's what we're seeing right now, right? We've got this big, strong sellers and then weak buyers. So sellers have more dominance, very, very weak buyers. And we have all these stops down here in place. So I would say that if the buyers don't come in hard soon, the sellers are going to come in hard and they're going to drop this back down. Same for the gold market as well too. What's happened with the gold market? Gold market, we're pretty much sideways through here, no one in control. And then a break up and out of this here as well too. What's happening right now in the short term? There's no one really in control, right? There's no bottom formation or anything like that. But if we go have a look at the gold market, what's happening with the gold market or the gold weekly chart, which is the king, by the way, weekly chart's a king. We had this strong selling movement down and then we get this very, very, very weak buying movement. So this here is just, and if you understand how the markets work, how do they work? They go for a run and then they pull back. This is going for a run and then they pull back and then they go for a run again. So we have a very high probability chance of actually now going for another run again. Again, this is a weekly chart, so it may take a few weeks for that to form, especially because we had such a big down leg through here, known as using a lot of energy in the markets. We're now resting here. So this actually could just go sideways for another few weeks, maybe more, while it's building a lot of energy to continue on the downside through there. So that's what I'm seeing there right now on the silver and gold market, guys. At the end of the day, respect the market, respect the market, respect the market, and do not try and fight the market. Do not try and think you're smarter than the market by trying to pick bottoms and trying to pick tops and all that sort of stuff. Because remember, guys, trading the market is all about probability, right? It's not about certainty. It's not about getting it. It's not about getting it right every time. Oh, I bought gold last week, so I got it right. It's not about this. That's not, if you look at any really, really successful trader, what do they have? They have a win-loss ratio. What do they also have? They have the exact plan that they're looking for. They're not trying to pick tops and bottoms. So respect the market, respect the market, respect the market. And until this weekly chart starts to turn around on the silver and gold market, trying to buy it right now and thinking that this is the bottom in the market, then that's very, very, very risky. After being mentored by 4 different 7-figure traders, I've realized they all have some things in common that actually help them do really, really well in the markets. So I'm actually putting on a free training where I'm going to walk you through the 7 simple but powerful universal laws to becoming a consistent profitable trader while achieving a very high success rate without spending 13 years trying to figure it all out. Plus, I'm going to walk you through the absolute details of my #1 trading system that I trade every single day. The very first link in the description, click on that and you'll be able to go check it all out and be able to go see this free training, and I'm going to walk you through every single detail of these 7 universal laws so you too can start to have the odds on your side. So go do that right now and I'll see you on the next page.